Westermans here with Fume extraction arms, FlexMax, running down the length of the building. FlexMax and the yellow arms, the Plymovent available. The bigger ducting at the back is not available. That's actually staying on site unless required. This is all linked up to a Plymovent system. Looking down here, looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arms running down the length. Going around to the fume extraction itself, the unit, which is the Plymovent Dustmaster, which is 6 cartridge, and obviously silencer, catcher, control system, more details available on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.